and because of some issues, we are going to conduct the mathematics classes today. Okay, so no problem, that will be happen. So let's start the mathematics on. Okay, okay, Rani, I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so what topic you want me to discuss? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your voice is not coming actually clearly. So yeah. Okay. So because of I think network issues, she disconnected. No issue. So see, for the 10th standard, I'm saying I think 28 onwards, 28 April onwards, you are having the examinations, correct? Okay. So make sure you need to follow and focus all the topics because
Sir,
almost all
which
the
examination?
get it done.
Sir, which examination?
I just tell to 10th standard actually they are having the term 2, correct? They are having term 2 examinations from the 28th April, correct? So already I have almost add all the videos there on YouTube, so if they can refer easily there, and if they have any doubt, and they can ask it by joining the live session, correct? So what thing you need to discuss with me now today? Tell me the doubt there.
Yes, sir.
Which topic you want me to discuss?
Yes, sir. Which one?
Yeah. So what the topic you want me to discuss with them? Tell me the topic. So according to that, I can make you understand. See, okay. Rani, I'm audible. You're saying some topic, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, find the rational number between 1.3 and 1.4.
1.3 to 1.4. Rational number.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm thinking that decimal will increase and under इसके नीचे 10 आ जाएगा और मतलब कि डिवाइड वैसे करेंगे.
Simple. Same thing. Nice. 13 by 10 we can do and 14 by 10 we can do. If you need more, then already I mentioned make it.
Yes,
like,
sir. Leave it. Sir समझ गए मतलब इतना ही confusion था बस.
Yeah. 140 by 100. Okay. So we are in between them 131 by 100 up to 130 times by 100. This will almost 10 numbers are there, correct?
Yes.
That we can do.
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, polynomial.
Polynomial. Okay, fine. So polynomials basically polynomials is expressions actually. This is an expression, correct? And this is expressions of one variable expressions, and where we suppose let it be a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus, and that will be go on like a n minus 1 x plus a n. So this is the general form of polynomials. This is a general form. Okay, this is a general form, and if I'll write it over there, this is a general form of polynomials, correct? So this is general form of the, so polynomials is nothing but the expressions of one variables, correct? And we will represent as the name p of x. So why I am representing p of x? Polynomials of variable x, correct? Polynomials of variable x. To represent these things, this is general form. So how I can say where a0, a1, a2, these are coefficient. Okay, these are coefficient of given term of respective power, respective exponent, or we can say exponent. Okay, so how that respective exponent and n must be non-negative integers. So this is the actually definition of polynomials. Okay, n must be non-negative integers, and a naught a1. I have mentioned that a naught a1 a2 like that up to an minus 1 an. Why I am writing there a naught is first form, correct? First form where x to the power n will be the highest component. Suppose if I want to write n will be suppose 1. Okay, so what I can write here, n will be 1 means I can write a naught x to the power 1. So if I write second one a1 x to the power 1 minus 1, correct? X to the power 1 minus
Yes.
1 plus second will be a2 x to the power 1 minus 2.
2.
So see here a to the power a naught x plus a1 x to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, correct? So x will be vanish here, that will be equal to 1. But what about this one a2 x to the power minus 1? So as I mentioned here, n must be non-negative integers. Now what is that? Negative integers, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this will be not there when n equals to 1. So that is called linear equations, which we have learned in the 8th classes, correct? This is nothing but which polynomials, that is called linear polynomials when degree n equals to 1. This is called as a degree is highest exponent. Let it be n equals to 2. I am writing n equals to 2 means ये जो मैंने expression दिया है, that expression is actually the general form, and that will be changed, that you can write according to your requirement, correct? Suppose मैंने n equals to 1 लिखा, मैंने इतना लिख पाया because इसके बाद ये term क्या होगा, possible ही नहीं होगा. अगर n equals to 2 if I am writing, so p of x will be how much, a naught x to the power 2 plus a1 x to the power 2 minus 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 minus 2. Again a3 x to the power 2 minus 3 if I write, that will be of what? Negative power. This will be not included in the quadratic. So this is of degree 2, correct? The highest power is what? 2. So I can write it quadratic questions में क्या होगा, quadratic expression में क्या होगा, x square plus a1 x2 minus 1 is x 1 plus a2 2 minus x to the power 2 minus 2 is 0. So we can write it a2. So these polynomials we can call it as a quadratic polynomials, correct? Quadratic polynomials. So like that you can write as many polynomials according to your requirement. That is all about the polynomials, correct? But when I'm saying regarding the linear or quadratic, that name also means defined by two ways, correct? How we can give the name of polynomials, that is of two types, and that will be have two different way. So one names means partition of means how we can give the types of polynomials, correct? That will be of two types. एक होता है based on degree. One type is based on degree and another type is based on number of terms, correct? दो types के polynomials होते हैं जिसके हिसाब से हम नाम देते हैं polynomials का, and that will be two based on degree means suppose degree 1 होगा, degree 1 means highest power exponent will be 1, like suppose p of x I am writing and 2x plus 1, here highest power will be 1, that is called degree 1, and जब degree 1 होगा तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, linear polynomials, okay? That is called linear polynomials, okay? Next, p of x when n equals to 2, here n equals to 1 I am writing, here n equals to 2 I am writing, okay? So that will be p of x like x square plus 5x plus 3. So here highest degree will be 2, correct? Here highest degree will be 2, and we can call it as a quadratic polynomials. Okay, this is called quadratic polynomials. Similarly, when n equals to 3, means higher degree term will be 3. So that is called cubic polynomials. Okay, that is called cubic polynomials. Then similarly, n equals to 4, we can get it as a biquadratic polynomials. Biquadratic, okay, polynomials. And similarly, the based on terms, how we can write? Like suppose if you are having p of x equals to 2x, that is only one term is there. Like 5x to the power 100. Here also only one term is there. Only one plus or minus, means plus or minus is not there in that. Correct. So we can call it as a monomial. Only one term is there, we can call it as a monomial. So this is also one type by giving the name of polynomials. Correct. So that is based on terms, and that is based on degree here. Correct. So if you have two terms, that is for one term, we are writing, we call it as a monomial. When we have a two terms, like suppose p of x equals to 7x square plus 5x to the power 100 times. Here, how many terms are there? Two terms. We can call it as a binomial. Okay. Binomial. Now, one important point is there, note point is there. What is that important note point? See, whenever I'm seeing the types of polynomials based on terms, I can't see the degree here. तब वो कितना भी डिग्री रहे, मुझे उससे मतलब नहीं है, मुझे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. But when I'm seeing the number of suppose based on degree, I have to see the degree, but I can't see the number of terms. कहने का मतलब क्या है, जब हम बेस्ड ऑन टर्म्स देखेंगे तो हम उसमें डिग्री नहीं देखेंगे. जैसे 2x भी मोनोमियल्स है, 5x to the power 100 भी मोनोमियल्स. Why? Because they are having only one terms. Here p of x 7x square plus 5x to the power 100. The degree is 100, but here having two terms. That's why I'm writing as a binomial. Correct. Here I am not seeing the degree here, but here I have to see the degree because see they are having 2, so we can call it a quadratic by seeing the degree. But see here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. It doesn't mean that if the degrees are there, then we can call it as a number of terms will confined. If degree is there, you can't see the number of terms. If you are seeing the number of terms, you can't see the degree. That is a rule for that. And one more thing. Suppose if somebody will ask you regarding how many terms are there in the minimum terms. Correct. How many minimum terms generally is there in the linear polynomials? Then as I mentioned here regarding this one, a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus dot like up to a a0 a n. Correct. Last term. When I'm substituting n equals to 1, I'm getting only two terms. Correct. Means जितना degree होगा, that is a general way. Degree होगा, degree plus 1 will be the number of terms. Correct. When they ask you what is the number of how many numbers of terms are there in quadratic polynomials, generalized. They are not asking you the particular, generalized. They will ask you कि अगर normally linear polynomials में कितने terms होते हैं. You have to say that only two terms are available because this term is not satisfying. यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? Negative हो जाएगा. Correct. Quadratic होगा तो 3 के बाद वो negative हो जाएगा. So by seeing the general term, you have to give the answer. Understand? If they ask you the number of terms in the quadratic polynomials, and this type of question they will ask in the competitive examination. In NCERT, they are not asking those questions, but in competitive exam, definitely they will ask you those questions. You tell me what is how many means number of terms are there in when degree equals to 50. So how many terms will be possible there? So just you have to write how much degree plus 1. Correct? Rani, understand this one? So this is all about the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the definition part of polynomials. If I take that, will take almost I think more than 6, 7 and 8 hours to completing all the points there. Okay, 1 minute. The board is, yeah, now fine. Okay. So ask me other thing.
Sir, what is g of x?
Geo
G of x.
necessary to give a name on, correct? Understand?
Yes, sir.
You're getting it? Am I clear with you? समझ सुनाई दे रहा है मेरा बात?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So अगर तुम्हारा नाम रानी है, सपोज तुम्हारा नाम रानी है, तो अगर तुम्हारे घर में सिस्टर एक और है, जरूरी है कि उसका नाम भी रानी दे? नेसेसरी?
No, sir.
But can't keep, because अगर फिर मैं रानी बोलूंगा तो दोनों रानी को रिस्पॉन्ड करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट? So definitely they will suggest another name. So g of x is also like the same thing. p of x हम ऑलरेडी एक नाम देते हैं, बट एक पॉलिनोमियल में हम p of x दे दिए तो ऑब्वियसली दूसरा का हम नाम देंगे g of x या q of x, एनीथिंग देयर, करेक्ट? सो बट जनरलाइज में क्या कहता है, दिस विल बी योर डिवाइजर, ठीक है? डिवाइजर, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड, एंड q of x they will represent as a quotient, okay, and r of x is represent as a remainder, okay? R of x is represent as a remainder there, basically means generalized means अगर normally अगर वो बात करें, okay? मैथ में बहुत सारा डाउट है, करेक्ट? नो प्रॉब्लम, एक एक चुन के निकालेंगे, सारे डाउट को क्लियर करेंगे, ओके? या फाइन. सो एनीथिंग एल्स you want me to discuss? 1 minute, just I need to fix my camera here because it's blinking all the time. Yeah, is it fine now? Yeah. Okay, so next, Abhinav, Pragya.
Sir, linear equation in two variables.
Linear equation in two variables. Yeah. In two variable. So जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स पे जिसका डिग्री कितना होता है, डिग्री 1 का, ठीक है? जिसका डिग्री, कोई भी इक्वेशंस का डिग्री अगर 1 हो, लेट इट बी सपोज if I say 7x plus 5 equals to 0, what is the degree of this polynomials, degree of these equations?
Sir, 2.
2, degree is 2.
No, sir, 1.
1, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो x का हम डिग्री हमेशा किसका चेक करेंगे, हमेशा ध्यान रहे डिग्री हम वेरिएबल का पावर चेक करेंगे, पावर, वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर, ठीक है? वेरिएबल का हाईएस्ट पावर, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल कौन सा है, x, करेक्ट? और कोई वेरिएबल है नहीं? सो दिस वेरिएबल, ये वेरिएबल का पावर कितना है, 8 है. सो जब ऐसा एक रहेगा, जैसे अब मैं बात करूं 7x² + 5 = 0, इसका डिग्री कितना है,
2.
You are having the exponent 2. So similarly linear equation कहते हैं जिसका वेरिएबल मींस जिसका डिग्री 1 हो, बट 2 वेरिएबल्स का मतलब होता है कि आई हैव जस्ट इंक्लूडेड ओनली वन x हियर, आई कैन डू दिस आल्सो ना, इसमें एक और दूसरा वेरिएबल कर दो 5x प्लस 7x प्लस 5y इक्वल्स टू 3। अब x का भी डिग्री 1 है, y का भी कितना है डिग्री 1 है,
1।
करेक्ट। सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चंस ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स, न्यूमेरिक क्वेश्चन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। अगर इसमें एक और मैं इंक्लूड कर दूं तो सपोज प्लस 3z में कर देता हूं, हाँ, that is a linear equation in 3 variables. Okay, understand? Rani?
Yes, sir. So how we can solve it?
How we can solve? Okay, so see, simply if I see for the class 10 up to class 10, they are assigning the 3 method, correct? 3 method they use, and 3 method are first called elimination method, ठीक है? एलिमिनेशन मेथड, ये मेथड होता क्या है बेसिकली? ये मेथड होता है कि सपोज यू आर हैविंग सपोज 2x plus 3y equals to 7, I am writing here, and another equation 5x plus 2y equals to 8, ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे, किसी एक को हमें कट करना है, सो लेट इट बी सपोज आई नीड टू कैंसल y here, क्योंकि दोनों में इक्वेशंस में क्या है y के फॉर्म में। सो मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको पहले 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे 3y है बट यहाँ पे एक ही y है, आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 here, ओके? सो this equation will be changed to 2x plus 3y equals to 7 because I am multiplying with 1. But what about these equations? I have to multiply 3 with all the parts. 3 5s are 15x plus 3y equals to 24. Now I am subtracting this one. This will be the a and this will be the b. So what I am doing here, I am doing a minus b. b के जितने भी मतलब साइन होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. दिस इज प्लस, that will be changed to minus. This is also minus and this will be also. So 3y minus plus 3y minus 3y, that will be equals to 0, correct? So
Yes, sir.
15 plus 2 15 minus 2, this is plus 2
minus 13।
minus 13x, और क्या करेंगे यहाँ से घटा देंगे, 24 में से 7 गया, कितना बचा 17 minus 17, this minus will cancel, so x equals to 17 by 13. जो भी x का वैल्यू आया हम दोनों में किसी भी इक्वेशंस में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, we can get the value of y. This is the
The
process.
same question I have a doubt.
सर हम लोगों को तो हम लोग x को भी तो रिमूव कर सकते हैं,
हाँ, हम
y
चाहते
को
हैं
ही क्यों
remove
किया?
कर सकते हैं। जो आसान, जैसे सपोज let me clear the things. So students are unable to see this one, so see once. Suppose मेरे पास x plus y equals to 7 है, and suppose 2x minus y equals to 5 है। यहाँ पे क्या एलिमिनेट करना आसान होगा? Which part will be easy to eliminate?
नो सर, सर y तो ऐसे ही रिमूव हो सकता है क्योंकि दोनों
क्योंकि
प्लस और
हम
माइनस
a
में।
को और b को जोड़ भी देते हैं तो y खत्म हो जाता है। एडिशन इज इजी एज कंपेयर टू सब्ट्रैक्शन, क्योंकि हमें
Yes.
साइन का रखना
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
होता है, अंडरस्टैंड? सो अगर मैं इसको जोड़ भी देता हूं, इफ आई ऐड दिस विल बी द कैंसल 12 and x equals to 12 by 3 equals to 4. बट यही क्वेश्चन को अगर मैं, अब सोचो x plus 7y equals to 8 and 2x plus 17y equals to 9. अब बताओ, अब इसमें किसको एलिमिनेट करना आसान है?
x।
ऑब्वियसली x, क्यों? क्योंकि मैं इसको 17 से करना होगा मल्टीप्लाई, इसको 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, बट आई एम सीइंग हियर इसको 2x ही तो करना है, इसको 1 से, अंडरस्टैंड? सो हमें
Yes, sir.
दिमाग में ये फिट नहीं करना है कि हमें एलिमिनेट किसको करना है, हमें क्वेश्चन देखना है, ठीक है, हमें क्वेश्चन को ऑब्जर्व करना है। क्वेश्चन एक बार ऑब्जर्व हो जाए कि कौन सा आसान है जो एलिमिनेट हो जाए और मेरा कैलकुलेशन क्या करे, आसान कर दे, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट थिंग्स वी हैव टू कीप इन आवर माइंड। सो डोंट डोंट बटिफाई द क्वेश्चंस, याद करने की कोशिश मत करो क्वेश्चन, हमेशा देखो कि हमें क्या करना है जिससे मेरा चीजें आसान हो जाए बाय सीइंग द क्वेश्चंस। क्लियर? ठीक है
Sir, same question. I have a doubt. Sir, 3a plus b
3a
plus b
b
is equal to 63,
63, okay,
and 2a plus b
2a plus b
is equal to 32.
32.
Yes, sir.
Now
इसी को
see,
solve करना है.
question number 1, these are taking question number 2.
Yes, sir.
ab plus b, अगर इक्वेशन 1 में से इक्वेशन 2 को अगर माइनस कर दूं तो एक मेरा साइन चेंज हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
That means 3a plus b equals to 63 and 2a plus b equals to 32. I am doing the subtraction, so this will plus change to minus. This plus 3a b be cancelled. 3a minus 2a is a, and 63 minus 32 is nothing but 31.
31.
Substitute. Now substitute a equals to 31 in any one equations. So आसान कौन है? ये छोटा वाला दिख रहा है. This will be the easy as compared to 60.
Yes, sir.
तो मैं
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करूंगा, a की जगह मुझे क्या 31 ही तो करना है. b equals to I can take 32 minus 2 of a. So 32 a की जगह पे क्या करना है, 31 करना है. So 32 minus this is a 62. So 32 में 62 का जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा, 30. b equals to 30, a equals to 31. Clear?
सर ए का समझ में आया बट बी का कैसे किया वो समझ
Sir,
में
b
नहीं
is equal to minus 30.
b equals to minus 30. Yes, minus 30.
Yes. Okay, sir.
b का कैसे समझ में आया? जैसे देखो,
Sir, b का भी आ गया.
मैंने यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट किया a को, b को एलिमिनेट किया बिकॉज b इजी लग रहा था, लेकिन हमें b का भी तो वैल्यू पता करना पड़ेगा ना. क्लियर? अब
Yes,
b का
sir.
वैल्यू पता करना पड़ेगा, ऑब्वियसली व्हाट आई विल डू, आई टेक एनी वन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. दोनों इक्वेशन में से किसी में भी a का वैल्यू डाल दूंगा तो इक्वेशन में बचेगा क्या, b ही तो बचेगा. यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
है. यस सर.
So I can get it like that. So I just compare in both the equations. I am getting on the second equation it's easy as compared to the first one. Clear? Because very less numbers are included there. So obviously I have to go with the thing which is easy as compared to the first one. But now see, this elimination method is easy for you to find the questions, but which is not there in your questions. तुम्हारे में जो है ना, क्या स्टैंडर्ड 9 क्लास 9 this solution is not there. तुम्हारे में क्या किया है, you are having only one equations. They are not having pair of equations. Some cases you are getting like polynomials, you are getting the concept of this elimination method of linear equations. And that is the pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. Understand? लेकिन तुम्हारे में linear equations in two variables है. Understand? यहाँ पे linear equation in two variables का मतलब है सिर्फ एक ही linear equations है. Understand? इसको निकालने का तरीका अलग है. इसको निकालने का तरीका क्या है? I have to assume any one value. Suppose if I am getting here 2x plus 3y, मुझे वैल्यू निकालना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, I have to assume any one value, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक ही इक्वेशंस है and I can't solve the two variable equations. करेक्ट? मेरे पास एक ही इक्वेशंस है बट दो वेरिएबल्स है, तो मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता या कोई भी सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम इजी कर देंगे. 2x 7 minus 3y को मैंने उधर कर दिया, x equals to 7 minus 3y को टोटल किससे दिया है, 2 से डिवाइड कर. So these are the equations I need to predict. So what I'll do, I'll just assume, मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं x और y है तो y के बाद मैंने assume करता है. Suppose I'm getting y equals to 0. तो y अगर मैं 0 करूंगा, what about my x? 7 minus 3 into 0 by 2. So 7 minus 0 is 0. 7 by क्या है मेरा x? 7 by 2. Suppose let it be 1. I am doing x equal y equals to 1. Here y equals to 0. I am assuming I get x equals to this one. अब y equals to 1 करता हूँ तो मेरा वैल्यू क्या आएगा? So x will be 7 minus 3 into 1 by 2. So 7 minus 3 by 2. So 4 by 2. That is how much x value I am getting? 2 here. So this is the way you have to find the solution for in the class 9. Understand? So here you are having only one equation of pair of one equation of linear equation in two variables. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, the value of y will be given.
Value of y you have to predict anything according to your means easy way. Suppose अगर मुझे ये 7/2 वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, अगर मुझे इसको ग्राफ में प्लॉट करना है 7/2 को, तो इंटीजर प्लॉट करना आसान है कि 7/2 प्लॉट करना आसान है? Which one is easy to plot in the graph? Obviously integer, correct? So the integer will be easier as compared to the fractional value. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, अगर मेरा 0 अगर फ्रैक्शनल दे रहा है और 1 मेरा ये दे रहा है, तो मैं दूसरा नंबर भी चूज करके देखूंगा ना जिसमें मेरा फ्रैक्शनल ना है. हो सकता है कि मैंने y अगर 2 करूंगा तो उसमें भी क्या आएगा, 7 in minus 6 1/2 आ जाएगा. तो क्यों ना मैं ऐसा वैल्यू चूज करूं जिससे मेरा क्या आ जाए. Suppose if I am choosing y equals to 3, then what will happen? अगर y equals to 3 मैं चूज करता हूं तो x equals to 7 minus 3 into 3 by 2. So 7 minus 9 by 2. So minus 2 by 2. What I am getting? Minus 1. अगर मैं 0 के जगह मैं अगर 3 चूज कर देता हूं तो I am getting minus 1. So which one is easy to plot? कौन सा आसान होगा प्लॉट करने में? 0 वाला 7/2 या now this 3 minus 1?
Sir, 3.
3.
So ये जो प्रेडिक्शन है ना, ये जो चूज करने का जो y का जो वैल्यू है, that depends on you. Okay, that will depends on you. Understand? Clear?
Yes.
So that is the way. And class 10 में जो मैं second method बताया, method that is not necessary to you. First method you need to understand that, क्योंकि कभी-कभी क्वेश्चंस आएगा उसमें पोलिनोमियल्स में जो तुम्हें पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना पड़ जाए. जैसे जस्ट नाउ Palak has asked me that question here to a variable included question, I think. Correct? So this type of questions you can get it in the 9th also. So हमें सॉल्व करना जरूरी है, and that method you have to use, that is called elimination method. ठीक है, उसको मेथड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Elimination method कहते हैं. We have to use we have to eliminate one variable by using another path. That is the elimination method. Substitution method भी है, cross multiplication method भी है, and that is there in the another classes. ठीक है, चलो एक बात मैं पूछता हूँ. Can I ask one question to you?
Yes, sir.
So what does linear equations mathematically represent? Linear equations, geometrically represent. What does linear equations geometrically represent? Geometrically linear equations two variables है या linear equations है, क्या represent करता है? मैंने अभी जो बताया था, ये जो टेबल मैंने बनाया किसी क्वेश्चंस का, अगर मैं x y सपोज x equals 0 दिस आई एम गेटिंग 2, x equals to 1 आई एम गेटिंग 4, अगर मैं इसको अगर ग्राफ को प्लॉट करूंगा, so we know that 1 this coordinate will get 1 point,
In
another
coordinate
coordinate will get,
geometry.
क्या
Sir,
represent
coordinate
करेगा?
geometry.
Not coordinate geometry, this is a coordinate geometry, but that will represent the line. Mathematically in linear equations line को represent करता है, understand? मैथमेटिकली ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। क्लियर? लीनियर इक्वेशन जो होगा तुम्हारा वो एक लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। अंडरस्टैंड? समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me. Anything else you want me to discuss, Vita?
Yes, sir, I have. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me. Yes,
Sir.
tell me.
Sir, 2a power 7 minus,
Power 7 minus,
sir, 2a
okay, 2a
the power 7
power 7
minus
minus
128a.
128a.
Sir, factorize.
फैक्टराइज करना है।
Yes, sir.
Now listen, जब भी ये कौन सा पावर है? ऑड पावर है, करेक्ट? दिस इज
Yes,
ऑड
sir.
पावर
Yes, sir.
एंड हियर आल्सो सम ऑड इज देयर। सो मैं क्यों ना एक को इसमें से निकाल देता हूँ, मैं एक दो को भी निकाल देता हूँ। यहाँ भी दो है, एक को निकाल, a to the power 6 will come and 128 में से 2 को जाएगा तो अराउंड 64 will come.
Sir, repeat once.
Say if I am seeing these equations here, what I am saying, a to the power 7 means odd power is there. So odd power hai, I can't directly put any formula, correct?
Yes, sir.
I can't put any formula directly. So what I think, if I take one a from both of these और दो को भी बाहर निकाल देते हैं तो आई एम गेटिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशंस, करेक्ट? तो क्यों ना मैं इसको एक काम करता हूँ, 2a to the power 6 को कैन आई राइट इट एज a cube whole square minus 8 square, कैन आई डू?
Yes, sir.
तो इसमें भी a square minus b square के फॉर्म आ गया, तो 2 of a cube minus 8 और a cube minus a plus 8, ठीक है? अब यहां से भी दिखने में एक और चीज लग रहा है, 2 of a cube minus 2 cube and a cube plus 2 cube है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ भी क्या आ रहा है? यहाँ भी I'm getting a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube and यहाँ पे आ रहा है a cube plus b cube. We are having the formula ना? a cube
Yes, sir.
minus b cube is what? a minus b of a square plus b square plus ab,
Yes, sir.
correct? And a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. ये प्लस रहेगा तो ये वाला माइनस टर्म करता है, ये माइनस रहेगा तो ये वाला टर्म प्लस करता है, बाकी जो पॉजिटिव रहता है. So if you substitute in place of b 2 and in place of a is already a is there, that will be the factorization form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, I'm saying from you also, if some of your brothers sisters are doing 10th classes, they come to focus there on the term 2 examinations And for them only, actually, we are keeping this live session, most of the live sessions there, because I know what is the conditions after the COVID there. Okay, and most of the lectures are already completed on the YouTube there, so they can refer there, and other subject also is same. Okay, so they are about to complete the syllabus too also. Okay, so just they can see those things from there, and if it is any doubt is there, just come to the session, live session, and they can ask their clear their doubt. Okay. Okay. Anything else is
Okay,
there
sir.
you want me to ask? Abhinav, you didn't ask your questions there today.
Sir.
Any question is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Rani?
No, sir.
Okay, completed. Further?
No, sir.
Okay, so okay, beta. So we will see in the next one, and so next lectures is there on Monday, correct? Mathematics lectures, and hopefully from the next week onwards, we will get the other subject also. And tomorrow, I think evening we will conduct the physics classes. Okay, Jitendra sir will conduct the physics sessions there. So if you have any doubt regarding physics, just correct those doubts there and ask there, and inform others also.
Sir Jiten sir.
Yeah. In physics only. In physics only. Only physics. He is very good in physics actually. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow evening. Same time, 6:30.
Sir, from school cues or from Budwal school?
School quiz only. Only school quiz.
Okay.
My classes will be
Okay,
running
sir.
through the only school quiz here. Okay. I'll be there in that class, and you have to ask only the physics questions there. Understand? He is very good in
Okay, sir.
physics, and his concept is good in physics actually, basically. So that's why I'm saying I am suggest you to join the session and ask the doubt. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you, everyone. We will see you on Monday again, and the time schedule will be the same. Actually, this week only some issue happened with the teachers. Because of that only we are not conducting other subject there. Okay. But in the next week, definitely we will come with another teacher also. Okay. And just prepare your doubt. I don't want to see the teachers are not getting, means they are just skipping the time there because of you are not asking the doubt. Correct. So make sure you have to be with your doubts. At least 1 hour doubt will be there in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Okay.
Thank you.